Hello, my name is Michael Kibler of Kibler's Typewriter Company, and today I'm going to be showing you one of my machines I have for sale. It's an Underwood No. 5 standard visible typewriter. The Underwood No. 5 was one of the most amazing machines in history, not for its design, but for its durability. The Underwood No. 5 was produced for more than 30 years, and tens upon tens of millions were made. And it was just such a revolutionary design when it came out, and that all of their typewriters followed that its same basic design ever since. Now I'm going to show you some of the decals. Oh, excuse me, let me read off the serial number first. It's 1571099. Puts it about 1929. The patent dates are back here. Really cool. Some of the decals you can notice are the pinstriping. Really cool, very detailed. The paper table, Underwood. You can see the nice reflection there. I mean, this video doesn't even do this machine justice. It's a beautiful, beautiful specimen. And I got my grandma and grandpa gave it to me for Christmas. It says Underwood No. 5 standard typewriter. Underwood. Yeah, they got it for me for Christmas. And it was a junk machine, so I restored it up, and look how beautiful it is now. It's amazing. One of the things I like about the Underwood is that it's so versatile. It can do so many different things. And for one thing, it has these beautiful glass keys, which have a really nice feel for them for typing. And I mean, they're just very good action, very crisp sound of hitting the paper. It has a 2-color ribbon. Currently I have a brand new red-black ribbon installed in it, as you can see back down here. It has automatic ribbon reverse, margin release is right here. It has play in shift, it has a carriage shift, backspace, fun stuff like that. It has a tabulator key. What else does it have? It has a ribbon winding. It's one of the common features of Underwood is that you can wind a ribbon onto one spool or not, or one spool or the other, and to help with replacing a spool. The bells down there, it's all shiny, and also it has brand new feet down here, rubber feet to keep it from scratching the table. I installed those myself. It's been oiled. That's just a beautiful specimen. Yeah, what else is there? Also, you have the carriage controls in working condition. Paper release. You have the 1, 2, and 3 space selector. You have the plate is in pretty nice shape. Yeah, it's a good machine. It types really well too. Speaking of which, I'm going to do a little typing test right now. The typing test in question will be the quick brown fox jumps over the lazy dog, and that uses every letter of the alphabet, which helps to test to see if any keys are off or broken. So yeah, I'll type it in black then red. Oop, sorry, wrong button. And it's hard to see on this camera, but oh, sorry. You can see the writing there. Here's the other test I did earlier. When I finished, it was red and black. Yeah, it looks pretty nice. So yeah, that's my Underwood No. 5. It's the price I'm selling it right now is $200 plus shipping and handling, and just shipping. I mean, it's a beautiful machine. I've seen shops sell these for like $600. And remember, when you think my prices are a little high, remember that I'm a repairman and a professional restorer. I don't just buy these machines and sell them in the same condition. I oil them, I clean them, I make sure they're in top mechanical shape, then top cosmetic shape. I even painted it some too. It needed some paint, so I went over with some paint and looks pretty good now. So yeah, Underwood number 5. If you have any questions about it, just ask me on YouTube or my email. Don't forget to visit my website. You can search Google Kibler's Typewriter Company, or try to copy and paste the link from the description box of this video. This has been a Kibler's Typewriter Company production, and I hope that one of you buys it, because it's a really wonderful machine. Thanks, and have a nice day.